Welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can integrate Express.js with Jenkit, and you can call that from a React.js or any kind of a front-end application. We will be using React.js, but like I said, you can use whatever front-end application you want, or any kind of web framework. So first what you can do is, here you can see, okay, I'll just close everything. I'll just create a new window, a new VS Code, and here I have just created one folder named fifth. You don't have to name it fifth, you can name it whatever you feel like. And inside that, first I'll just cd to fifth, okay, and here inside this we will create one directory called backend. So I'll just cd to backend as well, and inside backend we'll just create one file called index.ts, and we'll also do npm init-y to create the package.json file. And let's come over here. We need to install few dependencies, so we'll just install these two dependencies. I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here, so this will install dependencies for us. Now we need to install one more dependency, Jenkit AI Express. So again I'll just copy this, I'll wait for this to finish, and then I'll just paste this, so it will install this dependency as well. Now we can just copy this particular part, go to our index.ts and paste it over here. Now we need to also generate our API key. So I will here we need to pass our API key. Okay, I think I messed it up. Don't allow. Okay, it should be key should be capital inside API key. So here we need to pass our API key. So to generate your API key, come to this documentation, just click on open link in new tab. So it will redirect to aistudio.google.com/API key, and here you just need to click on this create API key button and just select Gemini over here, create API key in existing project. Then just copy this and we'll paste it over here. Command is to save. Once that is done, let's come back over here. So let's come back to our code. I'll quickly explain it to you. So here you can see that this is fine. So we are importing Jenkit. We are importing Jenkit AI Google and Jenkit AI Express. Do we need to install Express as well? So yeah, we need to install Express as well. So I'll just do npm install Express. Okay, am I getting some error? Added. Okay, I don't know what that was. So it has added Express for us. Okay, so here I have imported Express as well. I'm not sure if this is required or not, if Express is required or not. Let me try to remove it if it doesn't work, because I think Jenkit ships with Express.js. Sorry, my bad. So I've removed Express. I'll just do npm install so that it can remove Express as well. Okay, all right, let's come back over here. So here we are just initializing our Jenkit. Here you need to pass your API key, and here you need to pass the Gemini model which you want to use. So Gemini 2.5 Flash is the latest at the time of me recording this video. Then here we just do ai.define flow. Here we pass our simple flow. This is the input, this is the output. So it will accept an input, a string, it will give you the output. So once it receives the input, here we are just giving it, like generating it form of stream. So that's why this is how it is, and then we just return the output. Okay, then here we initialize Express. We use express.json, and the route is /simple-flow, and here we just use this Express handler which we have imported from Jenkit AI Express, pass in our simple flow, and we are listening on port 8080. Okay, so I think we can just do npx tsx index.ts. Now I will just open one more tab. Let's clear everything out. I will just cd back, and here I'll just create okay, it will automatically create when we run the project thing, right? So what we can do is we can just go to this Vite documentation over here. Let's just scroll down. Yeah, you will just copy this particular command, and let's come over here. I'll just paste this command, so it will create the project for us. I'll just click yes. Okay, so the server is running. So I think, yeah, we were right, we don't need to install Express, that is installed automatically. And here I'll just name this as front end. Okay, and here I'll just select, you can select whatever you feel like. I'll just select React, I'll just select TypeScript, and here I can just cd to front end, and here I can just do npm install So let's come over here. So here is our front end. Go to src, go to app.tsx, and here you see some default code. So we can just remove this default code which is present. We don't require this as well. And what we can do is we can just come back to this documentation over here, and to access it we first I think need to install this GenKit beta client library. So I think we can just install this. So let's come over here. I'm not sure if this is something like this. It is still in beta, so I'm not really sure. Let's see if it's like this. Let me quickly check this particular part as well. We are just installing GenKit, so I think so I think we can directly do something like this: npm install GenKit. This should work, I guess. Okay, so this worked. Let's come over here, and then we can first basically copy this. So calling it from client is still in beta, so in case if this does become stable, I think you will no longer require this beta, so do check the documentation. So here we can just go to app.tsx and we can just paste it like this. Let's come over here, and then here is our run flow, and here is the result, and here it is everything. Okay, so what we can do, you can either call this inside a use effect, or I will just call it on a button. Yeah, click me, and here we just add a, is it on click or on press? I keep getting confused. Okay, it is on click. I think for React Native it is on press. Okay, and here I'll just copy this code, and here we'll just add a sync await. So here please check your port. It was 8080 for me on the backend, so that's why we are using. So here is the result. So in case if you want to stream it, you can stream it like this. So you have to use either one of this. So this is the first one and this is the second one. So yeah, use whatever makes sense to you. So this what it will do, it will wait for the entire result to get from the backend, but the second one is it will stream the output from the backend. So here I'll just ask it who is PM of India, and here I will ask something much bigger so that you will see streaming. Tell me about Taj Mahal. Okay, let's come over here. Let's just go to npm run dev. What I'll do is I'll just comment the second one out just to show you the output one by one. And here first I think we just need to go to this. I'll just 5173 is the port, and what I'll do is I'll just open our console. I'll close this, click on click me, cross origin. Okay, so we have to add this course header. Okay, so let's just go to our backend and add that. Resolve that particular error. You just come to your terminal of backend, just stop your server and just install npm install course. So this will install the dependencies for you, and here inside your code you just have to line this particular. So firstly you will have to import course, something like this. Just you app.use course. Okay, and then you can just again do npx tsx index.ts. This will start our server. Let's just wait. Okay, it is listening, and then we can just go to our front end. So our front end server is already running. I can just click on click me, and here you can see it has given me object output. The current Prime Minister of India is Narendra Modi. Now let's try the second one as well. If you are curious, just go to app.tsx. I can just uncomment this, and I'll just comment the first one out. I'll command s to save, and here again I'll just click on click me. I'm using the free tier model, so it might take a bit of time. Let's see. So here you can see it is streaming, so it is not giving the output in one go, it is continuously streaming. So be careful with this if you are doing this. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching. Bye.